Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how can you withdraw your money from your Zleak account, and also I will teach you that if it is even possible. So first let's open our application, and now from here you just need to tap your logo, and now as you can see here there is a settings option. Tap on the settings. Now you can see that I have a balance of $20. All right, and it says withdrawable balance is 10. That means I can withdraw $10 according to this application. But the thing is that you cannot withdraw. It's a lie. So this application is only good for playing games, playing tournaments. So it is good for that. But when it comes to withdrawing the money which you have earned, you cannot do that. So yeah, that's it. I know this is very bad. I cannot do anything because I am not the developer of this app. So this is what it is. You cannot withdraw the money. That's the truth. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a great day.